But starting with the box, you can see how detailed the box is, bro. And this right here, bro, it's a heavy box. So just starting with the details, you got Travis Scott, his like signature font right here that says Jumpman, and then his three little lines. I really don't know what they represent. I know it's like on all of his merch, all of his shoes, not all of his shoes, but you know, most of his like Cactus Jack merch, there's Travis merch is on there as well. Then we have the Travis symbol with the Jumpman Jordan. Now this is, you know, I'm gonna have to pull open the box. So right here, that's why it kind of looks like encased right here. And now this is a size 14, and this one is a really rare pair. And that's kind of what me and my bro, we kind of had a little debate on the pricing, because the thing was a 14 didn't get released on sneakers. If you go back to sneakers, well, you can't really go back, but you know, I'm just letting you know right now, they skipped size 14 for whatever reason, I don't know, but it went from 13 to 15. So 14 is an extremely rare size. Even my store, they didn't get a 14. I think they just stopped at 13, to be honest. So not a lot of stores are gonna have a size 14 compared to all the other sizes. And so the size 14 obviously is the most expensive on the market. So I had to pay, you know, a little more than what I wanted to, but it is what it is. And we're also going to talk about that too, because I don't know if I want to immediately sell these or hold on to these, because these are the first signature shoe. But we can look at the shoe and figure out that together. You know what I'm saying? So let me know what y'all think. So going over the sizing, it says Jumpman Jack, and then it says TR. It's, well, I thought it was, I guess that stands for Travis, right? Travis. I thought they would put TS, Travis Scott. But yeah, Jumpman Jack, TR. The colorway is sail / muslin - dark mocha.